from Louisiana's home team. This is Fox 8 Morning Edition at 6 a.m.
Some might call it the most wonderful time of the year, and for many it is, but for others, they suffer from a lot of sadness during the holiday season. And here to help us with some tips to avoid the holiday blues is Jamie Dugas with People's Health. Thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
Well, it is unfortunate because there's so much festivity and so much celebration and just marking a time of where families get together. But for others, it's a very sad time. What are some of the reasons, and some are obvious, people who've lost loved ones, but some of the key reasons people are so sad this time of year?
Right. Well, the holidays are a very stressful time for a lot of people. I mean, we have financial stress, emotional stress, and even physical stress of the hustle and bustle of the holidays. So a lot of people do suffer from anxiety or depression during the holiday season. Plus, they've maybe lost someone, or maybe are getting up in age and don't have the resources to get out of their home like they would usually do for the holiday season.
Are there specific signs that you should look for with a loved one or friends to know that they're being negatively impacted because it is a holiday season?
Well, I think feelings of sadness, just or being lonely or bored. I think the loved ones just need to be in tune to their loved ones' feelings and what they're saying to you. And just depression and anxiety in general. We all experience some depression or anxiety, which is normal, but I think when it becomes persistent or over a period of time, or starts to interfere with our daily activities, and when we need to become a little concerned, or at least talk to our doctor or healthcare professional about it.
And how do you help out someone who recently lost, or it's near the anniversary of the loss of a loved one? I mean, what's the best way to approach someone like that you want to help in some way?
I think staying busy and trying to stay positive throughout the holiday season. Having a positive attitude makes us resilient or stronger when we're faced with times of stress. So,
but if you want to help that person, what would you advise you do if you want to?
I would get them out of the house. I would try to get them involved in some of the festivities. I think they need to, in general, they need to get plenty of rest. They need to start exercising a little bit just to get their mood up. They need to do things they enjoy to do. Maybe just watch their favorite movie, you know, do some caroling with some people. Get them involved and out of the house so that they're not alone. So,
because a lot of times, sometimes they will fight you. They don't want to engage, and
yes.
They want to stay isolated.
Yes, we have to force them out of the house. We have to make them, you know, become part of the festivities. In my opinion, is once they get out of the house and start doing and start seeing other people enjoying, they need to support themselves, you know, with family.
And for others who, you know, it could be financial reasons that you're stressed out, so you're down because you feel as though you can't fulfill all of the so-called expectations of what you should be doing in terms of gifts and others. You know, how do you help people like that? And if you're in that situation, how do you cope with it?
Right. Yeah. Financial stress is a big concern during the holidays, and you have to know your limitations and what you can and can't do, and know it's okay to say, no, I can't do something, or ask for help if we become overwhelmed or stressed with something. It's okay. Most of the time, you feel like you expect something, but usually they don't expect it.
Maybe just a cute little note saying thank you for being a friend all year. Keep it simple. If you can't afford a lot, some good tips there, and just to be mindful of the fact that there are people going through tough times, and to be cognizant of that.
Right.
Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.